What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. We are out here at the Hidden Lake, and this is going to be a catch and cook, okay? We're going to do a brim catch and cook. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cast out my deeper here, see what the water temperature is, and see if I mark any fish, and see if the tons of storms that we've gotten in the past couple days have affected the overall bottom of the little pond, lake thing you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, we're going to get started doing that. Got the deeper already connected. I forgot my phone holder for the rod, so it's going to be kind of difficult, but shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to record my screen as per usual and show you guys what all we're looking at here. Alrighty, so right off the bat, we're looking at about 5 foot of water. Not too bad. It's kind of what I was expecting. Now running along this edge here, I'm hoping to see some underwater structure. There it is. Little bump, perfect. We definitely want to target that for fish. Oh, that dip right there, there's definitely going to be fish patrolling that. We definitely want to get that. Water temperature is 87 degrees on the top, which is kind of what I was expecting. It's been really hot here in Florida the past couple days, but that nice gradual up or incline is exactly what we want. But that hump that we saw is definitely something that I want to target. It's definitely something that fish are going to be interested in, and therefore I'm going to be interested in. So we're going to cast this back out once again to the right. See what we're looking at over there, and see what all bottom structure, water temperature looks like. Oh, we're marking a little bit of fish there. So difficult without the rod holder attachment. Alrighty, so right there we're seeing some, let me close that, there we go. Right there we're seeing some vegetation there on the bottom. 4 foot, so a little more shallow than the first cast initially, but again, there's that little jump that you saw at the very beginning there, along with some vegetation. So I'm hoping that overall the vegetation will be housing brim. Nice small gradual upcline. So that little incline we see right there, where it gets to 2 foot, 2.5 foot, and then a sharp upcline. That's where we want to be targeting for brim. All right, and so for my third and last cast, I'm going to come over here to this area. I've caught a lot of crappie here, a lot of brim here, so I'm hoping that this area will be suitable, and there will be, you know, a bunch of vegetation in the water. See what we're looking at here, a little deeper, pun intended. Ooh, lots of vegetation, marking fish. Oh, that's going to be a spot to target for sure. Oh yeah, that little curve right there. Oh yeah, we're definitely going to be hooking up into some fish. I'm also marking some fish right there by that. Looks like a tree poking out of the water, so that makes sense. Underwater structure, you know, fish are gonna wanna hang out around that. Oh yeah, this is looking good. This is looking real good. Water temperature is consistent, we got things jumping. I don't put the deeper up for now. It gave me a lot of useful information where to target. Definitely the underwater structure is something that we want to pay attention to. So we know there's a dip over here and there's a dip over there. That's where we're going to be targeting these brim and these crappie and hopefully hooking up into something. Here with a piece of, piece of hot dog on it. So we're going to cast this out. I'm going to try to get as close as I can to where I was marking stuff on the deeper. I don't know how well it's going to work because I don't have a weight or anything else really, but I'm just going to try to get it out there best. Okay, not bad, not bad. So we're going to hold that there for now and hope to hook up into something. All right, Kimber with the first fish. All right, keep reeling, keep reeling. All right, okay. This one's a little small. So we're gonna throw him back. It's a little small to keep. We could keep him, there's no bag limit, but we're gonna throw him back, try to get a little bigger one. Good job, babe. You got something? All right. Yeah, that's a pretty decent one. All right, I think we're gonna keep this one. There we go, so that's our first one of the afternoon. We're gonna go ahead and keep him, throw him in the cooler. Oh, and I got something too. Ooh, a little baby one, look at that. Little tiny one. Can't use him, unfortunately. Okay, he's also a spaz. There you go. There's one. Another little one. Fish of the day that we're keeping. There you go. Keeping him because he stabbed Kimber. me see how. As long as one of us is catching dinner, I'm okay with that. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Not as big as I thought. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw this one back. It's a little too small. 5, yeah, 5. Hang on. Oh, you got something? Another keeper. There we go. Another one. I don't know. Oh yeah. I think that might be one of the, wait.
Oh, he's right on it.
Just a wound. Let's throw him back. Yeah, this would be a keeper, but we're not keeping him because of that right there. There's one. Yep. Ooh, that's definitely a keeper right there. Alrighty, another keeper. Another one there. A little on the smaller side, but still keeping it. We are now back at home, and we're going to be filleting up these bream that we caught here. Alright, now I'm going to rinse my cutting board and then skin the fillets. Alright, there's all of our fillets and we're ready to continue on with the recipe. Alright, now we're going to mix all of our ingredients together. So we're going to get a 1/2 cup dry plain breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons parsley, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon dried basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now we're going to mix all this up really well. There we go. Alright, so this is the finished product here. These are the little bites here, so we're just going to give that the old taste test. Pretty good. Camera's crooked, but very good. I really like that combination of the spices and whatnot. The meat's all just white, flaky, cooked all the way through. Very good. Would highly recommend, but thank you guys for watching this episode of 9 and 4 Fishing. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. See you guys next time.